Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta coolant. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll need a drain pan, a funnel, new coolant, and basic hand tools. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and safer. This preparation step is crucial for a successful coolant replacement. Once the engine is cool, position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug, usually located at the bottom of the radiator, and allow the old coolant to flow completely into the pan. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Ensure the pan can hold at least 1.5 gallons of fluid to prevent spills. After draining, close the radiator drain plug tightly. Now, fill the system with distilled water through the coolant reservoir. Run your engine with the heater on high for about 10 to 15 minutes to circulate the water. Let the engine cool, then drain the water. Repeat this flushing process until the drained water runs clear, ensuring all old coolant is removed. With the system flushed and the drain plug closed, it's time to add your new coolant. Fill the reservoir to the max line. Start the engine with the heater on high and let it run for about 20 minutes. This helps to circulate the new coolant and bleed any trapped air from the system. Top off the reservoir as needed once the engine cools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.